What's up guys, how you doing? Of course it's your boy Germaine, and today I'm bringing you guys some new content. I'm going to let you guys in on a secret. I'm going to let you know what's in my camera bags. I carry these things around all the time, and a lot of people tend to ask me what all do I have in my bags whenever I go on certain shoots. So today I'm going to let you guys know what I have in this camera bag, and I'm going to give you some bonus footage on what I have in my other camera bag as well. So without further ado, let's go. Welcome back guys, I appreciate you tuning in again, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to continuously bring you guys new content, so I want you to stay abreast of that. And in order to stay in front of what I post, I need you guys to click the notification bell and like this video as well. That'll help me out with the algorithm. Alright guys, so let's get down to it. Okay, so this bag right here is a Altura bag. My lovely wife purchased this bag for me a couple of years ago, and I've actually been using this bag, and it's pretty dope. You can store a couple of cameras in this bag, as well as a few lenses and your accessories. It has a pocket right here where I hold SD cards and SD cards and cables and so on and so forth. You have a zipper here. In this zipper here, I have extra batteries, SD cards, a couple of cables. I have a hot shoe holder. Yeah, those things right here. They have a zipper right here. I keep lens cleaners, extra batteries, extra cables, cell phone chargers, and so on and so forth in here. But let's get down to the inside of the bag. So in this one, I have my Sony camera. Now typically I have my Sony camera wrapped up in the fabric that actually came with the camera, but today, just to save some time, I have my Sony camera right here, and it sits right here. This camera is not as big as the camera that I'm actually recording this video with, my 5D Mark IV made by Canon. Typically I keep my Canon camera in here, but since I have to record, I'm using my Sony today, right? So this bag is large enough to hold my Sigma lens. This is my Sigma 50mm 1.4. I've been having this lens for about 7 years now. This thing still tack sharp as a beach, y'all. This is my go-to also when I shoot portraits using my Sony camera. I also have a Canon 75-300. I actually bought this lens from the pawn shop, y'all, for $75. One of my coworkers told me about it. She saw it there. She told me about it. I went over there. I checked it out. I mean, didn't have any scratches on it. I mean, it was sharp. Everything was great with it. I've shot some wonderful content with this lens. It is not really the best lens if you're looking for something to wow, like the masses and so on and so forth. But if you know how to shoot, if you have a quality camera, or if you just know how to use your settings right, this lens will get you some wonderful content. Put that right there. All right, and again, y'all, I'm typically using my Canon 5D Mark IV in this bag, so you might see some Sony materials in here as well as Canon. Okay, so please forgive me. I'm sorry. Lens caps. You always have lens caps, right guys? I have this right here. Now, I got this for Christmas. This is actually one of my Christmas gifts, and I haven't played around with it a lot yet. But this is a Minolta, I believe that's how you say that. It's a video recorder. This thing shoots in 4K. It kind of operates like a GoPro. You can put it on a mono stick, you can put it on a travel gimbal, and you can capture all kind of footage on here, guys. I'm talking about this thing is a beast. I haven't used it a lot yet, but I'm gonna make some videos about this as well. It's just a charger that goes along with this. I have a couple of lens hoods, and I have old school receivers and triggers for my non-go Godox off-camera flash system, so I have that in there as well. But yeah, as you can see, I kind of have a lot in this bag. This is my go-to bag. I use this bag a lot. I typically, whenever I shoot a wedding, I have way more inside of this bag. I've gone on trips on planes, you know, car flights and so on and so forth, and this is the perfect size for the overhead carry-on portion on the plane. So I mean, you know, it's a pretty good bag, guys. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make another video and I'm gonna show you what I have in my other bag at a later date. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me about anything that you've seen in my bag. Also, I didn't have this in the actual bag, but I typically have this with me. This is my Godox X Pro C. The reason why the C is behind there is because this is made to use with Canon cameras. I also have an X Pro S, and the X Pro S, of course, it goes along with the Sony. So yeah, so if you guys have any questions about any of these items that you see in my bag, please leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and like this video. And I'm gonna bring you guys some more content, okay? So I hope you guys keep shooting. Have a great day. God bless. Peace.